This is a VRO pump. It's called a variable ratio oiler. It says it right there, VRO. And new, it's great. What it does is it supplies the engine with the lubrication oil on a two-stroke engine. And when they're good, they work perfectly. You don't have to mix the gas and the oil. When they quit working, the cylinders don't get adequate oil, and a lot of times it'll lock the engine up. And this guy was scooting down the lake, and if you notice, the flywheel nut's still on its flywheel. And there's the top of his crank, and there's his crank. So when it locked up, the flywheel kept on turning, and the engine stopped. So we've got quite a few spare parts now. We'll have the trim, we'll have the lower unit, we'll have all the electronics available for sale. And this Johnson GT 175.